Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create a holiday soft glam look for you guys. Something you can wear to work or out to dinner or a family event, whatever really. Just a versatile look for the holidays. So if you guys want to see how to create this simple glam look, please keep watching. I'm going to start this makeup look by priming my face using Huda Beauty's Complexion Perfection moisturizing makeup base. I like to use this one because the weather's pretty cold, so I just want to keep my face, you know, nice and hydrated, not dry. Because being oily is better than being dry to me. I've also still got a scar here from the surgery, so let's just not talk about that. So for my foundation today, I'm going to be using Frankie Rose Cosmetics Matte Perfection Foundation, and I'm going to be using gold and olive mixed. I'm also going to just pop a little bit of MAC's Hyper Real Foundation in rose gold into that just to give me a bit of a glow. So I'm going to do this one first. I'm going to do the rose gold first. Oh, that was bad. Yikes. I hate myself. Okay. You know what? Good enough. Good enough. One pump of that, one pump of gold, and one pump of olive. To just get it on my neck so that I make sure I blend it well. And then of course I'm just going to beauty blend that into my face. So next I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealers in Graham Cracker for under my eyes and Salted Caramel to contour my face. I'm going to start with Salted Caramel. Then I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. Blend that out. And if it's too dark, just go over with your sponge, with your foundation. The key to using creams for contours, to me, is to place it a bit above the line that you want to create, because if you don't, then you'll put it directly on the line, and then when you blend it out, it'll go farther down, if that makes sense. And then I always go over it with my foundation sponge. Whatever excess foundation is on it will help blend it seamlessly into your skin. I guess there's a bit of a seam. I know it looks like I'm beating my head, and it's because I am. Not gonna lie to you. Just like that. And then we're going to go in with our under eye concealer, and this is where Graham Cracker comes in. And then down the nose as well, and on the chin. And I'm going to be setting this using Too Faced Ethereal Setting powder. I want this to be a glowy look, so I like that this powder has a bit of a luminescence to it. And I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Face Bacon Blend Brush for this. I just like to have it already set up so that when I blend this out, no creasing can happen. For your eyelids, you just want to make sure there are no creases on that as well, because we're going to set it all right now. And then I'm going to lightly set my whole face with that same powder. So next I'm going to lightly do my brows using Benefit Cosmetics Foolproof Brow Powder in shade 5. I'm going to be taking this on my little Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B eyebrow brush. First of all, I'm just going to take this brush and brush through my brow hairs to get out any foundation or powder. that's chilling in my brow. And taking some of that first half color, just lightly filling in the gaps. And as I get to the front, I like to create the line by just placing this brush and dragging up. Just like that. And then blending it out. And then taking that second darker half, continuing with the tail. Picking up more of that light shade. And the darker shade for the tail. So now with that concealer brush that I used to place my foundation on my face, I'm just gonna go over the top just a little bit. I'm gonna go super lightly because it's powder, it'll literally just fly away. And then going in with any lighter concealer, I'm gonna go in with another Overachiever concealer, and this is Toasted Almond. So now that the brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish contouring my face, and I'm gonna be going in with MAC's Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. This is the medium to dark palette. And I'm gonna be going in with Shadester and Shadowy. I'm gonna be going in with this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. Next, I'm going to pick up Shadester. Why do I hit myself in the face and drop things so often? I don't really know. So next, I'm going to pick up Shadester on my Sigma E45 tapered brush. And I'm just going to contour my nose. And then I'm just going to take that Face Bacon blend brush, whatever powder is left on it, and just blend that out. And before I start on the eyes, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's blush palette. This is the 8C Cool Pro, and I'm going to be going in with Queen, taking this on my Sigma F15 brush. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. I haven't used this palette in so long. I'm going to start by blending Tempera just all over my lid using this JH30 blending brush. So making sure to get it on the brow bone because you know we'll be putting the highlight there. So next I'm going to go in and deepen up my inner crease using raw Sienna, and picking this color up on my JH36 blending brush. I'm going to be warming up my outer corner as well. And using that big fluffy brush we put Tempera on with. Tempera, I keep saying Tempera. Just make sure it all blends out well. Next, I'm going to be taking this Morphe S12 crease brush and pick up some burnt orange and deepen up my crease a little bit. Well, not really deepen it, but add a little bit of color. Just lightly blending it all the way. You just want it to fade. Then using that same brush, I'm just going to pick up some Cyprus Umber and deepen up the outer. Just lightly blending that in. Pick up that brush you used for raw Sienna. I'm going to pick up some of that raw Sienna on my Morphe S20 pencil brush Just start by going under my eyes with that. Then going in with a little bit of Cyprus Umber, blending that right on the lash line. And I'm not going to go in all the way with this color. Just going to keep it on the outer part. And blending it out with raw sienna. Now I'm going to take some of that Cyprus Umber on my JH42. This is a really small smudger brush. I'm going to grab a little bit and smudge it right on my lash line. And really focusing it on the outer. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner with Primavera on my JH39 pencil brush. For my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer, and this is Pineapple Sun. And I'm going to go in with this highlighter side. I'm going to be taking this on my JH06 brush. Also going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. Just to get it a little bit more pigmented right there. Also going to use my finger to highlight my nose. And then my Cupid's bow. So for lashes, I'm going to be going in with L'Amour lashes, and these are in Liliana. Alright, now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. I pooped. Look at that. Look at that. I hate it. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Brick Lip Pencil, and this is the Patrick Star one. I'm filling it in with their Retro Matte in Love Weapon and going over that with the matte lipstick in Straight Fire. So I'm going to start by taking off the foundation and going over with some lip balm. This is Buxom Power Plump Lip Balm. Then I'm going to go over that with that Love Weapon. And then going over that with Straight Fire. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. As always, please leave any thoughts or questions on this look, as well as any requests for future looks below in the comments. Have a great day or night, whatever time it is for you, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.